Howdy, howdy, howdy. Wildwood Flower, recorded by the Wildwood family. No, the Carter family, 1928, Bristol, Tennessee. So it's a classic, of course. Everybody knows it. It's a country and folk kind of music, classic pioneering kind of song in the early days of recordings. And Mother Maybelle Carter, she played guitar in that group. And she used kind of a banjo style of playing, because I think she played clawhammer banjo at one time. She would pick the melody notes on the bass strings with her thumb and then scratch across the strings, up and down, down and up. And they call it the Carter scratch. However, most people, or at least not too many, use that style anymore. So we're going to use it with do this song with a flat pick to get the same kind of result. And we're in capo 2, standard tuning, C position. And we start on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Pinky on the 3rd fret, 4th string, open 3rd. On the tab, you'll see down, up arrows, or up, down, which means the up arrow means you are striking the strings downwards, and the down arrow means the reverse. Why it's written like that, I don't know, most people do it. It's because you're looking at it and it kind of makes sense to see that going down towards the higher strings. Lots of hammers in this one. Hammers mostly from open to 2nd fret. So here's the 1, here's 2. 3rd string, open to 2nd fret. Back to open 3rd. 4th string, open to 2nd fret. Down, up. Now you go reverse. You're on the C still. Pinky, 4th string, 3rd fret. Let it off. So you're on the C, so you got the 2nd fret, 4th string. Now you're going to a G chord and you got an open 4th. I didn't do that right. It's not a hammer, it's a pull-off. So you're on a G, down, up, strum, 4th string, 2nd fret, which isn't part of the G chord, right? So you got to finger that, and then pull it off to an open 4th. Go back to a normal G formation. So you're hitting the 5th string, which is the 2nd fret, and then back to a C. Starts again. This time we're going up to the 2nd string. Now we're doing this a bit different. We're on a G. We're just going to hammer the 5th string, open to 2nd fret. Back to C. Strum down once. Hammer 4th string. Down, up, strum. Here comes the toughest part of the song. It's not really tough, but it's different because we've got a big long slide up to the 5th fret with our pinky. We're on the C, the 3rd string, 2nd string. So your strums, you should only do the first 2 or 3 strings. I do the first 2 right there. I added a 3rd string there on that strum, little strum. Either way, some people even do. They grab 5th fret, 3rd string, but no need for that. Still back to C. Now we're going to the F, the only F in it. Just like before on the G. The first time we played a G, we did that, I believe was the first time. Right, yep, we did. Hey! So that's sort of, I didn't follow Maybelle's exact notes, but I'm pretty sure it's very close to how she played it. And okay, the main thing here is that lots of hammer-ons, and that one slide where you come out of the C position. You're just on one string here, that's all you need. So, Wildwood Flower, great tune. You can impress your friends and family with this one. I've been playing it since the 60s. I don't play it very often, but it's, somebody says, play something, I'll do that. He says, I have known it so long. But it's great getting control of this. My snark pick. I got a fairly flexible pick. I don't know, it's kind of hard, medium hard. A lot of guys flat pick with a very thick tortoiseshell, or, you know, if you can get those, but very hard. And that's more or less for Doc Watson, Tony Rice type picking, where you do a lot of single string, which I can't do. But I do pick a strum, pick strum. See you next time. Okay, here's the tab.